Welcome to this short presentation video where I will explain how Luxega are able to help you with any types of luminaires. Now, the one that I'm standing right now is some special luminaires. It is typically older luminaires where you have, first of all, no chance to find any parts. You have maybe a luminaire, there is a special design for municipality. In this case here we have a black cylinder which has up and down light. And this specific design that I'm standing with right over here is something that is quite unique. First of all, you cannot have any parts at all, and they wanted to either change to a complete other luminaire, which is quite expensive, because if they wanted to have that type of, let's say, level of design, then the price will be really high. The other thing is, if you are changing that luminaire to another luminaire, then it's maybe not really aligned with the urban design that you have in that specific city, especially for older cities. This is where Luxega come into the picture. What we can do is that we can use our AI model to clone that existing luminaire. So we have all the data where we are then able to manufacture according to that data. So this LED insert that I'm standing with right here is an LED insert that is perfectly fitted into this old architect drawn luminaire from many years ago. It is installed in 10 minutes, which is quite unique, because with the installation time for these older luminaires normally takes even longer, but this one here is just fitted 100%. The good thing about that, it is that now the municipality that has these luminaires get a complete upgrade with modern technology, LED technology. They can decide exactly what they want when it comes to the Kelvin temperature. They can decide the programming setup. They can get like night dimming, so they even save more. The energy savings is quite high on that solution that I'm standing with right now. They have metal halide as standard. Now they have LEDs, so the energy savings is above 50%. So even though the installation is, of course, something that has to be considered, the 10 minutes and also the energy savings combined gives a quite unique return on investment. We are talking about here a return on investment of around 3 years, which is extremely low on special luminaires. The other thing and the other example that I have, it is a luminaire that is used on a harbor. It is right now, or the problem right now for the client were that this was class 1. So in this case here, class 1 were a problem because they had some issues when it comes to this specific class 1 setup. The relay was just shutting down. We helped them using our AI model to clone this existing LED setup here, where we basically have the same brackets, meaning that we have right now a solution where we can provide a class 2, and they just click it in this existing setup here, and then you add the top. By doing so, they are able to keep the old lamp house with the old glass, but just with a new LED insert. The energy savings is not that high because, as you can see, this is E27, so the energy savings is not the issue here. It is that they want a class 2. So this is also where you can use Luxega. We are able to help you to do the product design and making sure that everything is aligning with the certificates that is needed, and that goes for also AirTex luminaires and luminaires that is used on, let's say, train stations and so on. I think that's it. Remember us if you have any specific projects where you really cannot find any other types of suppliers that can help you. We can help you with that through our AI process. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.